Hi guys, it's me again, Olivia. So this video I'm gonna show you how I create C-curl with flat iron. So this is the final look of the C-curl using the flat iron. Yeah, because usually I will show you how to create C-curl using curling tong, right? So there's so many requests ask me to show how to create with flat iron. So today I do this video special for you ladies. So you can get this flat iron, try to get the ceramic one, and then the medium size, and then if you can see is the corner is round shape rather than the squarish one, because if you use a squarish one, sometimes for the ends here you might see the band here, the squarish band. Yeah, so and make sure to use thermal protect and some serum leave-in conditioner in your hair if you use styling tools daily. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy the video and I will see you next time. Okay ladies, I'm gonna keep it really simple and short. Yeah, I never prepare anything, basically just flat iron, and if you need some clips, maybe you can prepare 2 clips or anything. Just take out one section, and if you want the hair to be a bit more volume, right, curve in all the way to the ends. Okay, one section done, you see that? Horizontal section repeating. Then with the side. (90°), just smoothen the mid part first, and then slowly pull it. See, so this is the final look, pretty fast, right? So if you still find this part a bit flat, right, so we can just adjust a little bit. This part flat, right? Just take a very thin layer section, hook up, go in and twirl over direct. Do you see got a bit more volume? Just a little bit more. Yeah, and here, can you see the difference? Over direct. See the difference, huh? Yeah, so now I think you can't believe it's so fast. A little bit of pink oil serum towards the end. This one is to prevent the static, because sometimes when there's too much of heat, just Organic HairSpray. I don't know why is it organic, maybe you can ask Togethair. The strong fix. Yeah, the smell is very good. Just a little bit, so I just pull everything backwards. And this one as well. Leftover. Spray a little bit on my hand. Then rub it quick, and then get rid of the baby hair, otherwise it looks so messy. Yeah, so yeah, this is the final look. Okay, so another thing to share with you ladies, for the flat iron, right, there's different types. One of them is this one, which is the ceramic plate, and the other type, which is something like this one, the titanium inside. But I will advise that if you use it at home, try to use the ceramic one, because the titanium one can be very hot. Yeah, it's very good for us to use in a salon, because the speed can be fast, but you have to know how to control it. Guys, so this is the final look of the C-curl using the flat iron. Yeah, because usually I will show you how to create C-curl using curling tong, right? So there's so many requests ask me to show how to create with flat iron. So today I do this video special for you ladies. Make sure to use thermal protect and some serum leave-in conditioner in your hair if you use styling tools daily. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy the video and I will see you next time. Thank you.